In previous examples, we will see the 3 variable K map and 4 variable K map. In this lecture, some examples of 4 variable K map. Now minimize the following logic function using K map. Now two functions are given. Now these two functions, first thing is identify the functions. Here the functions are in the form of POS. In previously we have seen the examples of SOP functions. In this case we'll see the examples of POS functions. So first thing is identify the number of variable. In this case total number of variables are 4. So we require the 4 variable K map, where in 4 variable K map total number of cells are 16. So I have considered this 4 variable K map 0 to 15 number of cells. A, B and C, D variable, I have assigned the variable, I have fixed the positions of variable here. Now if it is POS function, so whatever the max terms are there given, so for that respect to max terms we need to put a 0 value in a respective cell. So 0 cells having a 0 value, then similarly 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 12 and 13. So out of total 16 cells, 8 cells having a 0 value. Now we can make a group of maximum 16 cell, 8 cell, 4 cell, 2 cells or 1 cell. Here in this case group of 8 cells is not possible. 16 cells is not possible because only 8 cells having a 0 values. Now group of 8 cells is possible. Yes, we can see here a horizontal group of adjacent cells. Easily we can make a group of 8 cells. Now this is my first group. Now any other cells which contain the 0 value, because it is a max terms, no any other cells having a 0 value, so we can say that within a one group we have covered all these 0 value. So final equation is what? So now we already discussed in previous lecture, if the vertical group is there, all rows are considered, then that downside variable, that is C and D, get eliminated. It is a horizontal group, all 4 columns are considered. So what happen? A and B get eliminated. We will see how it is eliminated. Now consider these first 2 columns. Here the value of in first 2 columns, A value is 0 both cases and B is 0 and 1 get eliminated. Here the A value is in both cases is 1 and B get eliminated because 1 and 0. Again A is for first 2 columns A is 0 and for next 2 columns A is 1. So what happen? A get eliminated. So both variables A and B get eliminated because this is a horizontal group and all 4 columns are considered. Now remaining variable, so only 2 rows are considered, so the value of that rows are C. In both cases the value is 0 and D is 0 and 1, so 0 and 1 get eliminated. See here the value of C is 0, so we are just writing the C here. If the value of C is 1, then we are interested to write down C bar because this is a POS form. In POS form, if the value of variable is 1, then we are writing the bar. Now next case, second example, second functions, again it is a POS functions. So four variable function, so we need to design the four variable k map, assign the variable value, assign the sales value. Now put the max terms or whatever the max terms are given in a functions, we need to put a zero value for the respective max term. So 0 is sale, 2 number sale, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 number sales. So these 8 sales having a 0 value. Now next steps, we need to make a group of these sales. Now here out of 16 sales, only 8 sales are having a 0 value. So we cannot make a group of 16 sales. We cannot make a group of 1 sales, 2 sales, 4 sales or 8 sales. Is it from this example you can say that this is a group? Easily you can make a group of these 4 sales and you can make a group of 4 sales. So here you will get a one group, here you will get a second group, but this is wrong, because in this example you require only one group. How it is? You can make a group of 8 sales. How it is? See here, 0, 4, 12 and 8 sales contain this 0 value. Here 2, 6, 14 and 10, all 4 having a 0 value. So what we can do? We can, and all these sales are adjacent to each other. All these sales are adjacent to each other. So what we can make? We can make a group of these adjacent sales, because all these are adjacent to each other. So instead of group of 4 elements or sales, here we can make a group of 8 sales. So here you can observe the sales. If it is adjacent sales, easily you can make a group of adjacent sales. Now again, to write a reduce equations, here again it's a horizontal group. So first A and B variable get eliminated. Now regarding C and D variable, first and last rows is considered. First and last row is considered. So the value for C is 0, 1. So is different. So C variable get eliminated and the value for D is 0, 0. So in that case D is this one. If value of D is 1, then we are interested to write down D bar. But here the value of D is 0. That's why we are writing a D. Hope you will get both example. Now we'll see the another examples. Now the function is given. First thing, identify the function. Now here in previous examples, in all examples directly the variables are given. So but in this case only the f is given, function is given, not number of variables is given. So how you can define the number of variables or the k map, which type of k map you require to for this particular function? So you need to identify the given function. You need to identify the given function, or it may be mentioned in your problem statement, minimize the following function by using 4 variable k map. So if it is strictly mentioned 4 variable k map, then you need to design only a 4 variable k map. Like see in this for second function, if you identify, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, from that you can say it is require only 3 variable, but actually you need to design the 4 variable k map. From above example you can say that 0, 1, 2, 3, 11, 12 and 14 values are there. So for that above 7 values are there, so we need to design the 4 variable k map, or we required the 4 variable k map here. Now consider the first functions, that is summation of m. So it is a SOP function. So we'll design the k map for the SOP function first. This is for first and this is for second equation. Now basic steps: identify the number of variable, design the k map, assign the positions of AB, assign the variable values, write down the sales values. Then next step is put the mean terms. The value for mean terms is 1, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 11, 12 and 14. Now our next step is to design the to make a group. Now here from this, what will be the happen, how many groups are there in this particular, for this particular example, always try for the maximum, that is 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So 16 cells, all cells are having high values, no, not possible. 8 cells, only 7 cells we can count, so not possible. 4 cells, group of 4 cells, yes or no? Yes, it is possible. So we can say that vertical group, this is a vertical group, so easily we can say that this group is possible. So assign the number, this is the first group. Any other 4 cells having high value adjacent cells, can we make a group of that? No, not possible. Then group of 2 cells, is it possible? See, all these are individual variable, but is there any adjacent cells having high values? So if you consider the 12, 4 and 8 is adjacent value, again the adjacent value is 14. Yes, it has a high value, so easily we can make a group of this and we can assign the number as a 2. Now remaining cells high only is this 11. So check whether adjacent cells having a high value. In case of 4 variable, each cells having their 4 adjacent cells, like 15 having a 13, 7, 14 and 11 adjacent cells. Like for 11, 9, 15, 11 and 3 is an adjacent cell. So 9, 15, 10 don't have the high values, but 3 is having a high value, so we can easily make a group of these 3 cells. So now this is a third group. Now we need to write down the final equation. Which function is given? SOP. So final equation must be in a SOP form. Now here consider the first, it is a vertical, only one column is considered and all 4 rows are there. So if it is all 4 rows are there, so this variable get eliminated, C and D, because for first 2 case C value is 0 and D is 0, 1 get eliminated. For next 2 rows the C value is 1 and D value is already eliminated because 1 and 0, and C having 0 and 1 value, so it is also get eliminated. So C and D get eliminated, only one column and the value of A and B is 0, 0. This is SOP function. So for 0, 0 we need to write down the bar plus sign because of SOP. For next term you require the plus sign. How many groups are there? 3. So how many terms should be there? Here we require 3 terms. For every group we need to write down the one term. Now consider the second. This column and these 2 rows are considered, first row and last rows. So for this column the value of A and B is 1, 1. Now for column for rows, for these two rows, value of C is 0 and 1 get eliminated, and D is 0 and 0. For both cases 0 0, D is 0, so that's why we require the D bar. Now next one, third group. How many columns are considered for third group? First and last column and only one single row. First and last column and only one single row. Now consider the value of first A and B. So the value of first and last column for A is 0 and 1. So A get eliminated, B is 0 0. So 0 0 means SOP function, so we require the B bar. Now only one row is there, and that's why the value of C and D is 1 1, so we require C into D. So this is your final equation for this K map. Now next function, first identify the function. The given function is in a POS form. So again, the how many variables we require? 4 variables, so 4 variable K map. Now this is a max term. For the max terms we are putting the 0 value. So the cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3, and cell number 4, and cell number 7 having a 0 values. Now we need to make groups in for this K map. Now here, while making a group, first thing, always try for the maximum. Group of 16 cells, it is not possible. Then group of 8 cells, it is not possible because only 6 cells are there. Group of 4 cells, yes, from this K map you can easily see this is a vertical group of 4 cells. Again, any 4 cells having a 0 values, no. Then group of 2 cells, see 4 number cells and 7 number cells, but they are not adjacent to each other, but the 4 number cells and 0 cells are adjacent to each other, so we can make a group of this one. So this is a second group, this is our first group. Then 7 remaining cells which having a 0 values is 7, so consider the adjacent cells. Yes, 3 is adjacent cells and which having a 0 value, so we can easily make a group of these 2 cells. So here we'll get 3 groups. So in final equations we having a 3 terms, but it should be in a POS form because the given function is a POS function. So consider the first one. In first group, vertical group is there, all 4 rows are considered. So what happened, similarly this one, C and D get eliminated. Now consider the value of A and B. In this case the value of A and B is 0 0, but it is a SOP function. Same here, the value of A and B is a 0 0, but it is a POS function, so you have to write down in this way, A plus B. Now second group, 2 columns single row is considered. So for the value of A is 0 and the value of B is 1, so into A is 0, so write down as it is, B is get eliminated, and C and D both are 0 0, so write down A plus C plus D. Now third term, third group, same columns, so the A is 0, B is 0 and 1, so B get eliminated for this group. Now only one row is considered and the value of C and D is 1 1, so for 1 it's a bar, that is C bar, and for D it's a D bar. So final equation is this one. So how many groups are there? 3. So we require the 3 term, but it depends on which form you require, either in SOP form or either in a POS form. It depends on that. Now this is a regular K-map equations we have given already in problem statement. Mean terms or the max terms are already given to us in a problem statement, but if it is not given directly, then how can we design the K-map, how we can map the mean terms or max terms in a K-map? For that purpose we will see the next example. Now in this example, one function is given in a variable form, not directly the mean terms or the max terms are given to us. A variable form is given, and we ask some question that we need to make a K map for this function. Express the function in a standard SOP form. Third C part is minimize that standard SOP form and realize the minimize expression using a NAND gate only. Now first thing, we need to design a K-map for a given function. So given function, whatever the mean terms and the max terms are given to us in previous example, all mean terms and max terms are considered as a standard SOP functions or standard SOP form or standard POS form. But in this case, what will be the happen? Variable form is given. So first step, you need to identify how many variables are present in a function. So in some term it may be happen, it may be a complement or non-complement form, but you need to identify how many variables are there. So A, B is there, C is there somewhere, and D is there. So from that equation you can easily say that we need to design a 4 variable K map. So first thing, you need to design the 4 variable K map, A part. So I'm then assign the variable value by using gray code sequence, not normal binary sequence. Write down the sales position. Now when we are designing any 4 variable K map, first thing is you need to identify when we are having a group of all sales. If we are having a 16 sales and if all sales having a 1 values, here the given function is given in the form of SOP, so we require the final equation in SOP form only. So if all 16 cells having a high values, then we are making a group of 16 cells and where answer is 1, because what happen, all cells are high. AB, all 4 columns and 4 rows are considered. So AB and CD variable get are all 4 variables are get eliminated, and the value of eliminated variable is by default considered as a 1. But what will be the happen? How we can mount this A B here? Now when we are having a group of 8 cells in previous example, so what happen if you are having a group of 8 cells, you can consider here this is a group of 8 cells. So previous example, so how many variable is come in your final equation? That is only 1 variable. Here you can also observe group of 8 cells. So how many variable? It may be a complement form or normal form, but how many variables are there? Only 1 variable. So you can make a logic from that analysis. You can say that if it is a group of 16 variable or 16 cells, then the answer is 1. If a group of 8 cells, then one variable is there. If a group of 4 cells, then two variable in your answer final term. If group of 2 cells, then we can say that there is a 3 variable in your final equation or term. If a group of individual cell, then all 4 variables are in your final term. So this is the logic or the analysis we can say. So same logic we need to, in this logic is for in case of 4 variable k map. So same logic we need to apply here while mounting this value or the functional value into a k map. Now first consider the first term ab. Now SOP function, so the value of a and b is 1 1. We can say the value of function is 1 1. But so, and how many variables in this term? Only 2 variable. So we can say that it is a group of 4 cells, and then your answers will be a and b. So which cells are there? We need to find it. So our final answer should be a b. So for that purpose you need to consider only one column. So for, and how many cells you require? 4 cells. So in that 4 cells your C and D get completely eliminate. You want to completely eliminate C and D variable. So and so your final answer should be a and B. It means that you have to map the sales value. So suppose if I am mapping a sales value 1 1 1, this vertical, because when we are having a vertical group, then this variable get eliminated, and that this we want actually. If you make a group of these 4 cells, then C and D get eliminated. Final is only A and B value. So you will get answer as a and B. Fine. For next, again 2 variable. So it's a group of 4 cells. So for these 2 variable, identify the variables value. A, where the value is 1. So in this case, value of A is 1, and C is C bar. So C bar is nothing but value of C should be a 0. But in this case, B and D should be eliminated. So how we can eliminate? Now consider these two. If we are considering these two column, so the A value is 1, but in this case if you considering a B, so B get eliminated because of A 1 and 0 value. Now here in this case, C is, for these two rows, value of C is, both cases the value of C is 0, that is C bar, and the value of D is 0 and 1. So D get eliminated. So for that purpose what we need to do, we need to put the 1 1 value in 8 number cells and 9 number cells. Now see here, if you make a group of these 4 cells, so what will be the happen? These 2 columns and these 2 rows will be there. So the final equation is A, and from this C bar. Now third case, third one, C variable, only one variable in final equation, only one variable. So it should be a group of 8 cells. Now we need to find out the 8 cells for C. Now variable is C and the value should be 1. Now here the value of C is 1 and the value of C is 1. So now in this case we want to eliminate A, B and D. We want to eliminate A and B completely. So if we want to eliminate A and B completely, so what do you require? You require the horizontal group. You require the horizontal group, then and then you can eliminate A and B completely. So if I am making, and but while considering this, if we are making a group of these 8 cells, either D is eliminated or not, we need to check it. So check the D value 1 and 0. In these two cases, the value of D is 1 and 0, so easily we can eliminate the D also. So here we need to put high values. Because of SOP functions, we need to put high values for this 8 cells. Now if you consider this group of 8 cells, so you can realize that the answer of this group of 8 cells is nothing but C. Now next term, AD, two variables. Two variables means what? You require the group of 4 cells. You require the group of 4 cells. Now where the value of A is 1 and the value of D is 1, and B and C get eliminated. Now consider the value of A. For these two cases the value of A is 1, and for these two cases the value of D is 1. So what we require, and for these two cases the value of B is eliminated, and for these two cases value of C is 0 and 1, so 0 and 1 get eliminated. So we need to put it 1 1 1 1 here, which is already mounted here. So if you make a group of these 4 cells 13 9 11 15, so you will get equations like this one, output equations like this one. Now next one is 3 variables. 3 variables, it means a group of 2 cells only. So what are the 2 cells we need to identify? A into B bar. A into B bar means where A is 1 and B is 0, and for next C is 1. Two cases where C is 1 is there. So what we need to consider, and D, we don't want the D get eliminated. So first we consider these 2 columns and 2 rows. So if you make a group of these 2 cells 15 and 11, or 11 and 15, so what group of 2 cells, so here A and B bar. So where A and B, so we'll get here A and B, A into B bar, and C, for these two cases C is this one. So we'll make a group of these 2 cells, so 11 and 10. If you make a group of these 2 cells, so what will be the happen? In these 2 cells you will get a answer, like if you make a group of this, so only one column, so A into B bar, where D get eliminated 1 0, and C value is this one. Last one, again 3 variables, so you require a group of 2 cells where value of AB is 1 1 and C is again 1. So AB is 1 1 and C is again 1. So this is a group of 15 and 14 number cells. If you make a group of these 2 cells, then your answers will be this one. Now in this way, what we have done, we have done the first part, that is make a K map for the given functions. We have made the K map. Now we need to write down the standard SOP form. So standard SOP form, nothing but it contains the mean terms. So what are the mean terms are considered for this function is nothing but your standard SOP form. So the mean terms are 2 3 6 7, write down in sequentially, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So this is your standard SOP form, because all cells contain the high cells. 0 1 4 5 is don't having any high cells value, so we are not including into a function. Now next part is what we need to minimize this and calculate the reduce equation, and that reduce equation should be implemented with the help of only NAND gates. So by using a K-map rules or steps, you can design the groups, you can make a group. So try for the first 16 cells, then 8 cells, 4 cells, 2 cells and 1 cells. It is possible to make a group of 16 cells? Not. Is it possible to make a group of 8 cells in this example? Yes, it is possible, because what happened, this group of 8 cells horizontally, we can easily say that this is a group of 8 cells. So this is the first group. Now this remaining 4 cells, so can we make a group of 4 cells? Yes, you can make a group of 4 cells here, but this will be a wrong, because if you make a group of 4 cells, then what will be the happen, your equations having a more number of variables, but our aim is to reduce the variable size in a final equation. So what happen, instead of a group of 4 cells, can you make a larger group? Yes, because in this case also, these 4 cells and these 4 cells having a high value, so easily we can make a group of 8 cells. So here it is a group of 8 cells second. So we are getting here two groups which contain the 8 cell. So the final Boolean equations is, or the minimize equation is, for first group, horizontal group, so A and B get eliminated. Only two rows, for these two rows 1 and 0, D variable get is eliminated, D variable eliminated here. Now C is 1 1, so the value of C is C plus due to SOP functions here. If it is a group of 8 cells, then in final equations you will get only one variable. This is logic for the 4 variable K-map. Now second group, vertical group, all 4 rows are considered, so C and D get eliminated. For A and B, so A is 1 in both cases, B is 1 0, so eliminated. So this is your final answer. You can write down in sequentially if you want. Now last part is remaining, that is you have to implement these logical expressions by using a AND gate. So apply the De Morgan's theorem. So what De Morgan's theorem is saying, you have to apply negation 2 times, because A is 2 times is equal to this one. Then apply negation 1 time. So what will be the A bar, this plus this negation as it is, this plus sign, I am applying this negation. So according to De Morgan's theorems, A bar plus sign replaced by dot sign, and then it's a complement of second variable. Next negation is as it is. Now these equations like your AND gate. Now we want to implement this one. So for that purpose we want to design the circuit diagram. So first consider a variable. It's by using NOT gate you will get a bar. C variable, only two variable in this equation, so C variable. So a bar, C bar. So what we require, we want to implement the equations by using a NAND gate only. So in circuit diagram you required in NAND gate. So here instead of this you can consider the NAND gate, NOT gate. Instead of NOT gate you can consider the NAND gate. Then what you require, a bar into C bar, a bar into C bar, but it's a negation, that's why for that case you require the NAND gate. So here you can write down the function. Otherwise you can design the other way also.